working in and submitting Schoology assignments. So as you're working through your courses and your daily work, you are going to come to some folders with assignments that look like this. Notice here that if this was my very first folder in this course, we're going to go to the month that we are in, which is August. Then you are going to choose the week that we are in, which is the August 21st through the 24th. And you'll see that the activities are broken down into days so that you know what is to be accomplished for that day. Now, as you go to activities, you will also see that there are due dates. So Monday's activity, it says due Monday, August 21st. Tuesday says Tuesday, August 22nd. Now, for math and science and social studies, activities like that, if you were to do all of your math activities on one day, which you can, like just go right on through the lesson, and then remember, always go back through and do a reading and a writing. It's really important to do those every day so that the kids have more and more exposure to reading and writing. But for this sake, let's say today you do Monday's activity, okay? And it's Tuesday. All right, I'm sorry, let me back up here. Let's say that you're working on Tuesday's work and you didn't do this subject yesterday, okay? It's going to pop up as being late. It is not late. It shows up as being late because it was assigned on Monday, okay? It was so that the work gets done in order. When things pop up as being late, the due date is actually the following Sunday. So in this case, it would be the 27th, August 27th would be the real due date. But I put due dates on so that families know that they're staying on pace. The work is due that week, okay? But I put in due dates so that I know when the assignment was assigned. Otherwise, everything gets all mixed up. So anyhow, we're going to go ahead and click on, we're going to pretend today is Monday. The directions will tell you what to do here. Click on the folder of the present date, Monday, August 21st, and complete the work in order. You can go here and click the next button, and it's going to open it right up. You're going to come to an assignment that looks like this. This is a really big assignment that we do in all grade levels, and we use this a lot for my kindergarten and first graders. And you will also see this in second, third, fourth, and fifth. I'm going to show you annotations. So when you come to a page that looks like this, your document is here. Sometimes the very first time you sign in to an activity that is embedded in the Schoology, it will tell you that you need to sign in. If you click it, you'll have to re-sign in, just like you have in the past to Schoology, okay? The zip code, click on North Dickinson Elementary School, enter the student's email and password, and then you will open up to a page that looks like this. When you click on My Document, sometimes the document doesn't load, okay? I'm going to have to sign him into Microsoft, okay? So if this comes up and I click Sign In, it will come up. And you will put in your student's email address. And you'll type in the password. Oops, not too many. and you'll sign in. Now, notice nothing happened. If you go ahead and click My Document again, or can't see your document, click here. And it'll open right up. Okay? You'll see the activity and it'll show it to you in slides. All right? But you can't do anything on here. You have to go over here and click Edit. As soon as you click Edit, it will open up into another page. It will either open up as a Word document. In this case, it's part of the PowerPoint. It will open up in something that you will be able to change. So for this instance, and this is a real big activity in kindergarten and first grade, and different activities even for my upper grades. When you click on the slide, you have to click down this side here. You'll see that there's movable parts. This part here is not movable, but this is. So you would just slide this up and you would measure, okay? And you're going to measure each item. Let's see. So it's about like 5.5 inches. So then what you do is you go up here and you're going to draw, and you can pick one of the pens and you can put, like, I forget what it was, 5.5 inches. Okay. And then you can move this around. So every time you go back and forth here, you'll have to click like the arrow so that you can move it. You can also use this little thing here to turn it so that you can measure and just do approximately. Okay, so like this is just one activity. Odd or even, these move over. So you'll be able to slide over the numbers under the odd or even, like they'll match here. There's examples here. And here's another one where you'll read the number and write it on the leaf. And again, you go up here, you can do the drawing, and they can use their finger and write the number. Or if you want to use the typing, you can also use the typing. You'll have to add a text box. So you'll just tap your screen and just type in the number. When you are done, okay, notice there's nothing on here to click submit, but you have two boxes way up here in the very top. See where my boxes are? Okay. You're going to have to go back and click. And now when you hit click here on my document, might have to click this again. We're going to submit it from here. Everything you do is already saved in your on your OneDrive. So I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. Now it's going to open. Now when I go down through here, you'll see whatever I did on that other slide, it stays. All right. If you decide like, oh, you know what? I want to edit it. Okay. You can unsubmit. And as soon as you do that, you can go back and you can click edit and you can edit your work. Okay. So you can change it. Now with all of these activities before you submit, keep in mind that I want you to make sure, learning coaches, that you are looking over their work and giving your child immediate feedback right away before they click submit. So if they made a mistake, explain to them what they do wrong. I usually don't grade a lot of work until the weekends because I'm working with families all week. And so with our elementary kiddos need immediate feedback. I am not there. I am like on the other side of the screen. So please look over your child's work and have them edit all of their work before they submit it. Okay. And then you'll just click submit. And you can go to the next activity. When you go back, you can just click up here and we'll click Monday, and you'll see the next activity of how to upload a document or photo. Now, when you go here, it's going to have the directions. Take a picture of yourself and upload the picture. So all you're going to do is you're going to click submit. And when you click submit, there will be a file or recording. Okay, well, we can't record your picture, but if you choose file, mine, because I'm working on a laptop, it's going to open right up to my pictures. Okay, so I would just click the picture, click open, it goes right up, and you click submit. On the iPad, when you click this and you click this file box, I'm going to go back here. When you click this file box, there will be a drop-down box on the iPad. The first one says upload a picture, and it'll go directly to your photos on the iPad, or take a picture. Use that one because then it uploads it right away, and all you have to do is click submit. And that's it. Now, as you're going through the course and you want to make sure that you turned things in, if you go over here to grades and you click it, you will see that all of the activities will be on here. And when you see that there's a box that looks like a piece of paper, that means it was submitted and it's uploaded for Mrs. Pluta to look at. So that is how you navigate and you upload items to your assignments. And just like the picture one, that's exactly what you will be doing when you are working and you need to submit a notebook page or a workbook page that you uploaded. And I always ask parents to please be the ones to upload the kiddos' work because sometimes some of the pages are missing, and that way you can upload them in order. So that is how you work through a Schoology assignment and submit the activities.